Want to master JasperReports from beginner to advanced and create real professional reports in Java? You are in the right place. Hello everyone, welcome back to the JasperReports tutorial series. In the previous video, we learned the basics of JasperReports, like what is JasperReport, where it is used, and why it is important. Now, in this video, we are going to do something practically. We will install Jaspersoft Studio and set up our environment. So, first, let's answer to this question. What is Jaspersoft Studio? Jaspersoft Studio is a tool that helps us to design reports easily using drag and drop option. Instead of writing everything in code, we can visually create reports like tables, charts, and layouts. Now, let's download it. First, you want to download Jaspersoft Studio. After downloading, we will install step by step. Okay friends, we will download Jaspersoft Studio from this website and you can get this link from the video description, there is no problem. And here we have download now button. Let's click on that. Okay, thereafter we have another link, download now. Click on that link. Okay, your download has started. And here we have save as option. Click on that. Okay, the download is started, that is good. We want to stop the record. After downloading, we want to install Jaspersoft Studio step by step. Okay, the Jaspersoft Studio downloaded successfully. Now, we will move to the next step. In the next step, we will install Jaspersoft Studio step by step. Let's click on that. And here we want to click on the agree button. Here we have location. You can change this location as well if you want, but you want to leave this location default. Let's click on the install button. It takes some time, there is no problem. Let's finish that because the Jaspersoft Studio is installed successfully. As you can see, the Jaspersoft Studio is opened successfully. That is good. In our next video session, we want to start working on Jaspersoft Studio step by step. If you have any questions, you can write them in the comment. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. That is enough for today. Have a good day. See you in the next one.